And when you put that needle on, make sure it's nice and snug, and you hold that hub so it doesn't break. Let's see, I'll double check because, so hold it like the hub and then tighten it. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so you're measuring first. Okay, good. That's
and
good.
I'm gonna enter here.
Okay.
You ready? Sorry.
And then you're pulling back on the skin to make it a little bit taut. That's good. Depth looks good, not too, yeah, that looks good, not too deep. And that's good. So you're aspirated for a good amount of time. Some people say to aspirate it for longer than that because, you know, when you're really aspirating, you're giving it time for any blood to burst into the cylinder.
Yeah.
And then you're injecting as you're pulling out. So you're doing this retrograde injection. And we know that the structures, the blood vessels, the nerves, we know that they're deeper and that the depth of your injection is perfect, but still you're doing that aspiration just to make sure, just to be safe and just for good technique. So let's do the same thing. And then now when you aspirate it for just a little bit longer.
A little bit longer?
Really give it time.
Too deep?
Good. That's good the way you're holding it. Nice. Very good.